Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. Today I have a package from Annie's. So we're going to see which one it is. It feels like a book, and I know I don't have a book subscription, but I am expecting to get the, let's see here, fabric strip pack any day. So it could be, instead of a jelly roll, it's one of those flat strips. I'm just guessing. I'm going to quit guessing. I'm going to open this up and see what it is. So it's always fun to have a surprise. And when I went to my mail today, there were 3 things in there. So guess what? There's going to be a couple more videos. Oh, awesome. Look, it is bare strips, and it's the 2 strips side by side, and they got it so it's flat instead of in a roll. This is called Worthington Prints Autumn Day by Worthington Prints. And it's hard to see the colors, but I think you get the gist of it. It's autumn and fall, and I've been looking for something in what I currently had to be able to start a project, and I can stop looking. So, alright, so there's that. So anyway, the program on this one, the fabric strip pack is with tax $48.84. You do get, let's see, here's your perfectly coordinated 40-piece fabric strip pack for making great projects and adding to your stash. But that's all that you get, is the fabric. They're cute. I've not seen them. I've been needing something along the line of something like this, but I do think I'm going to cancel this subscription, because typically a jelly roll, which is what this is not that expensive, or as expensive as it is for me to get it through Annie's. So I like the fabric, and I'm going to open this because I want to see what these are, and I want you to see what they are too. Okay. So here we are, we're inside, and it has this sleeve on it, but you can see the fabrics. Okay. And these are large prints, large fall prints. I'm trying to look at that one. And it looks like there's 2 of the exact same one. So this pile and this pile is just the same duplicates. They're very pretty. And like I said, I've been looking for something like this for right now as I'm going into fall. So I definitely am happy to see this, but I do feel, because of my other options, that my resources available to me, that I am not saving any money with this subscription. So for me, it's not working, but curious to know if it is for anybody else. I also want some ideas on what you think I should do with this quilt, or to make a quilt out of this. Again, we've got 2 20 roll or 20 piece strips on each side, so I have 40. It's basically a jelly roll, but it's flat, and it's fall, and there's all kinds of ideas. I might do a jelly roll race with this one. Maybe that actually is very doable with this one. I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll see what I do with this. Anyway, thanks again for your time. I hope you join me again soon. Thanks. Bye.